Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be making a mango banana smoothie, and I think it's going to be less than 5 minutes, but let's try to make it. So these are our ingredients. So we will need ice and some bananas, and this is optional. You can use whatever kind of milk you like, but I'm using almond milk. And then we need some mango. Mango is like a little weirdish color, but it's still mango. Okay, yeah. It's still good. And then some honey. So let's get into the video. So if you guys are in a rush, this is a great smoothie to make because it takes less than 3 minutes probably. So first we will put some almond milk. Hi. Oh my gosh. There we go. So it should be around 200. Now we will put in the mangoes. There we go. That literally took up half of the space.
That's mine.
And now we will put in the bananas. I think they're too fat.
Banana.
And now some ice now. It already looks really good. Now I put in some honey. Don't you want this? Okay, I'm gonna give you one some, okay? But stay quiet, okay, Donnie? There we go. We put in all our honey. Now it's time to close. Now let's start blending. Let's start blending. Now let's open our smoothie and serve our little tiny guest.
Oh my God.
Oh, it smells good. Do you want to smell? Now let's serve it to our tiny guest.
Wow.
Try.
Already?
No, I didn't try. Try. Stone go. Try. That's really good. I'm just gonna fashion my straw. There we go. This is really good. It turned out to be really good. And I want you guys to try it. And let me know in the comments down below how you made it and what you put inside the smoothie. Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. And subscribe, and we will see in our next video. Stay tuned to see our next video. Bye.